hi air signs Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. I feel that for your work, it's a time for a lot of changes to come into place. Communication is going to be very important in this month. You will have the opportunities for new partnerships. There is going to be a lot of competition that is going to be in terms to your work environment. Things could be very difficult to balance because the work pressure is going to increase. There will be increased amount of confusions, but use your intuition to get out of situations. I also feel that some kind of transformation changes will completely change your work environment. There are going to be some kind of long changes which will completely clear the picture for you. There is going to be peaceful healing in a situation in terms to your work. I also see that it's important to stand up for what you think is right and release any kind of guilt that you have been holding on to, but do not be very judgmental and think before you take any kind of drastic steps, because there is transformation that is happening in your life. It is important to communicate clearly and discuss problems openly and have a light-hearted energy overall this month. I feel that there is some kind of soulmate connection which you are trying to fight yourself off. There is a lot of passion and love in that connection, but it is creating a lot of confusions, and maybe there has been some kind of endings that have happened in that connection. There is a chance for a restart, but it requires a proper intention, proper communication, and things will tend to heal in that connection. If you are single, you might attract a soulmate. You might get choices in love. If you are looking for some kind of promotion, I feel that there is going to be some transformations, and eventually after that you might see some new opportunities. If you are seeing like for some kind of new job opportunities, I think give yourself a time of 5 weeks to 5 months. The changes will last till then, and post that I see that you will have better opportunities that will be coming up to your life. That's the overall theme I have for the month of August for air signs. I hope you like this reading. Thanks, and see you in the next reading. Bye.